stretch some tires on those wide rims.
That's what
So
I'm looking at them here, and I think I'm hoping they'll seat okay.
I wonder with all this poo on here from the pigeons.
Oh, that might help. Yeah.
That'll help with seating, right?
You gotta clean off this area.
Yeah. So we are mounting, hoping they stretch on, right? A set of winter tires so we can move the race car.
Yeah. They look pretty good. They look like they'll pop on, no problem though.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Don't ask us what brand they are besides the part where they're fast. These are a marketplace purchase.
The tires are Michelin.
Oh, okay, we got good quality winter tires. Are we gonna go winter drifting then or what?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Do you need me to get my hands in there?
Yeah. All right, so we're building a blade for my son, Mr. O, who's been looking for one for a bit here. And so we'll show you the tractor that's over here. So
I'll back up and not
I'm
trip.
working on the pin that's gonna right there. That's gonna go through here, and then this will be attached. There'll be one bracket or one strut here, and then one that kind of going down at an angle, and then we'll have a little chain or something that'll pull it up. So that's kind of how it's gonna work.
And Dad's toy garage. We're both dads, so we figured we better put some toys in here, hey?
Yeah, my son's been asking for this for a bit, so it seems like the right time.
I think it's cool. Is he gonna be mad there's a hole in this tractor?
No.
Your client's pretty chill that way?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, he doesn't mind the collateral damager. So.
I like how you didn't hit the steering shaft at all.
I didn't. No, I knew that I needed to be above that.
That kind of goes down in that range, hey?
Yeah. Put these in here.
Oh, park brake.
This needs to be out a little bit so that we don't hit it with the steering wheel. Let's see. If we go by
You need me to come there and hold it?
There we go.
Oh, nice. So, we got supports on there?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good to
Devin's
go.
idea, the angled supports, the extra strength, and then we'll see if it fits here. Oh yeah, okay.
Aluminum doesn't twist like steel, does it?
It doesn't warp as much from heating and cooling, no.
Very cool, very cool.
Yeah, so we're just gonna have to. That's probably it for tonight. We're just gonna have to drill a pin through here and secure a pin, like through both layers here,
Yeah.
and then there'll be a bit of a chain or something, a bracket coming up yet that you can kind of hook on so you can
drive it and run.
Yeah.
Are you gonna sit on there and show everybody how it works?
No. No, I already have one too big a kid coming in here, and that's why there's those plates on the side. That was wrecked.
That wasn't my boy, was it?
I don't know. It was either yours or Bennett. Could have all been
Okay. I know my boy really likes this thing too.
Bennett. Yeah. Well, as long as he's gentle. I mean, it's built for smaller kids, but as long as the guy's not too rough, it might not have been.
Oh, might outgrow this thing next year too, hey?
He might, yeah.
But his sister won't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Cool.
mean, she probably won't be as good.
All right, so these are 17s with race tires, and we need to move this thing in winter. Tony and I picked up these 18s, which a lot of guys are saying are too big. The tires are definitely bigger than we want to run, but if we run these wheels, we need lower profile tires. But these were free winter tires from a customer car. Some were shot, so we have two different sets, front and back, and the tires were like $100 or $50 on Marketplace. So let's get those babies on there. The car's really low. Hopefully I don't need to move around too much. Yeah, so we changed these earlier this week. It was like minus 20. It's minus 3 right now, Celsius. So that allows us to move these. These can't be moved below minus 7. Actually, you might as well see, it's been a while. That's what independent Mustang suspension looks like. You can see where I've done the mods to get it to work. Yeah, diff's too low. I can't jack on there, so I'm just on the cross member. Okay, multi-lug wheels. Can I suck that way? Which is 5. So I know a lot of you are saying 18s are too big. Well, let's have a look and see how we all feel about it. Remember, free tires, $100. They're meant for moving around in winter, and maybe we'll run them at the track. And I don't like the color. They got to be a darker bronze to go with the colors we kind of have planned. But Tony got me onto bronze wheels. So we painted my wife's FJ Somerset that. Tony and I actually bought these wheels probably 2 years ago with the intention of moving the car then, and it sat for a bit. If you guys have noticed, we haven't played much with it. And I do miss not having my impact here, but we're a little far away from the shop. I don't know, for all you guys hating, keep in mind, I love small wheels. That's why there's 13-inch on my personal car. But you'll see here why we need to run big wheels. But for all you guys hating on the big wheels, I'm kind of liking them for this build. So remember, we are going to be running a smaller tire if we run these. And what I like is how deep they are, but because we got Mustang wheels, look at that, we have to run such big, or Mustang brakes, we have to run them that big. Yeah, okay, I'm a fan. Maybe a color will grow on me too. Let's get the rest of these things on. And so the back is a 2015 Mustang suspension. This is a unique setup here. We got NA Miata front crossmember suspension and a big brake kit here. I forget who we got that from, but we made that work on the Miata suspension parts. But yeah. And then we did this also for better stopping power, and we can get the same bolt pattern as the back suspension has. Well, front tires are a little bit smaller, like less profile than the back. Like I said, we had free tires mismatched. We can move it now in winter. We're not on the race tires. And I do like these wheels. They won't be for everybody. We're running an 18-inch here. I don't remember the width. I would like actually wider for the back, especially because our goal is 500 horsepower at least. I know these engines, I think, are capable of 700 with the right turbo and stuff like that. So why not? Right now we're at 310 to 330, I think. But yeah, let's have a look at them. I'm very happy with them. I think they work. And these are all bargain stuff just to get us moving in winter. But new wheels. This is kind of the angle I'm liking here with the wheel arches. But how much clearance do we get on the brakes? Not a lot. Not a whole lot. Right there is what I'm looking at. All right, you're getting to see it for the first time, and you asked how many spokes. How many did you count?
10.
10? 9 or 10? Yeah. What do you think of that?
Good.
Cool.
I'll bring this in.
All right. I really like this angle.